Hello everyone, let's start addition of mixed fraction. I have taken here this sum 4 3 by 4 plus 9 2 by 5. This sum we are going to solve by two methods. First method, mixed fraction, changing mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So how can convert this? 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16 plus 3 will be 19. 19 and denominator as it is, therefore 19 by 4. Similarly here 9 into 5 will be 45 plus 2 47, denominator as it is, that is 5. Now you can see these are unlike fraction. You have to take first LCM of denominators. So LCM of 4 and 5 you have to take out. You can take out by multiplying 4 into 5 or by the multiple method you can take out. For that you have to write first 4's table and then 5's table and take out there the common first one multiple. So 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. 4's table I am writing here. Now 5, 10, 15, 20. So what is here common? First multiple 20. You will get the same LCM. Now take LCM in denominator. This 4 here, denominator is this 4. This 4 you have to change into 20. So by which number you are going to multiply here? 4 into 5. So similarly you are going to multiply 19 by 5. So I will write here 19 into 5 plus this side. Now here 5 into 4 you will get 20. Therefore 47 into 4. Now 19 5s are 95 plus 4 7s are 28. 2 carry outside. 4 4s are 16 plus 2 will be 18. So 188 you got here divided by 20. Now next add this. 8 plus 5 will be 30. 1 carry over. So 8 plus 1 9 and 9 will be 18. Again 1 carry over. 1 plus 1 will be 2. 283 divided by 20. Now again this answer you got in improper fraction. You have to change this improper fraction into the mixed number as question is given in mixed number. So divide 283 by 20. So 20 ones are 20. How much left here? 8. 3 here. Then 28 24s are 80. So how much left here? 3. Now change this into the mixed number. What you are writing here? Whole number quotient. So 14 will be here. Remainder will be here. Therefore 3 and divisor 20 as it is in denominator. So what is your answer? 14 3 by 20. This is your answer. Let's start second method. Now here 4 3 by 4. What is the meaning of 4 3 by 4? 4 whole number plus proper fraction 3 by 4. Okay? Plus whole number plus proper fraction. Okay? No need to write this step. Therefore I am writing here side. Now what we can do here? First we can add whole numbers. So in this sum, what I will do here, first I am going to add whole number. So 4 plus 9 will be 13. This is yours first step. Okay. Now in second step, what I am going to add? 3 by 4, this one, left one. 3 by 4, proper fractions. 3 by 4 plus 2 by 5. Now just now you have done, so 4 and LCM of 4 and 5 will be 20. So LCM of 4 and 5 will be 20. Now solve this as you have solved just now, like that only. 20 I am going to write here in denominator. 4 5s are 20, therefore 3 into 5 here, plus 5 4s are 20, therefore 2 into 4 here. What you will get? 3 5s are 15 plus 4 2s are 8 divided by 20. Next, how much you will get? 15 plus 8 will be 23 by 20. Got it? How you can change this? How you can change this into the mixed number? Why? In mixed number, because you got here improper fraction. If proper fraction you got, no need to change. Okay, but this you got improper fraction, so change into the mixed number. So what you will get here? 21s are 20. How much will be left here? 3. So 3 is your remainder, you are going to write in numerator, and 20 as it is here in denominator. So what you got? 1 3 by 20. Okay. Now this is your second step. Good. Now add first and second. What you will get here? If you are adding first and second, here you will get 13. First step, what you got? Addition of 4 and 9. What you got? 13. Plus in second step, when you added this, then you got here 1 3 by 20. Now you just now saw there that 1, how you can write? 1 plus 3 by 20. So you will add this 1 to 13. What you will get here? 14 3 by 20. This is your answer. See that this is second method I told now. Now you decide which one is easy and try to solve it. Thank you for watching.